Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing and I will give you my first impressions of the new JBL Partybox Encore 2. I did not find this speaker in my country, but I found it in Bulgaria and I paid 889 leva. So that means I have paid for it around $400. So let's make the unboxing to see what we have inside of this box. Of course, now we are in Greece because it is very hot, and as I already told you, I did not find this speaker in my country. So inside of the box we have the power cable, and of course I really love this, we have the new JBL mic. This is the new JBL mic, and compared to the first edition it is much better. Now let's see the speaker. I already saw this displayed in the store where I bought it, and it is a very big improvement from the old speaker. So this is the new JBL Partybox Encore 2. So let's see it. We have the new JBL logo. On the top we see that it has the new AuraCast button, volume for the microphone, and for the rest of the connections we have an guitar in, a USB-C for charging the phone, and an AUX in. Of course, I really love that it has a removable battery. This is where you can charge your speaker, and of course it says on it JBL Partybox Encore 2. So in my opinion it looks much better than the old one, but let's turn it on. So we see here that it has some lights, and of course the woofer, it is light up. Now let's connect it to the smartphone and put a song to hear the sound.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide, when everything is a lie.
And this is the JBL Partybox app. So we see here that it shows us the level of the battery, you can control the lights, and of course I really love that it has an equalizer, and you can adjust the equalizer how you want. Of course you can change from the deep bass to the punchy bass, and that's about it. And we can connect to previous models, that it is a very big plus. So this is the new JBL Partybox Encore 2. Does it worth $400? In my opinion, yes, because it sounds much better than the old one. The bass, it is deeper. You have the microphone that is inside of the box, so you have the microphone inside of the $400. It looks much better, the lights are much better, and it has the AuraCast button. So in my opinion, this is a very good buy. But what is your opinion about the new JBL Partybox Encore 2? Will you buy it or just wait for the new JBL Partybox 520? Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel and come here. Please subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel in Greece.